How to get unbanned on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can finally get unbanned on TikTok. Why did your account get banned? Accounts that consistently violate community guidelines will be banned from TikTok. If your account has been banned, you'll receive a banner notification when you open the app informing you that your account has been banned. Now to unban it, you can always submit an appeal and TikTok will be able to help you. There is no any other way to get your account unbanned if it's been permanently banned. However, if your account has been banned temporarily, then all you need to do is wait for a certain amount of hours or date or time, and then you can log in back to your account again after the ban has been lifted. But if your account has been banned permanently, then you can follow these steps. The first thing you want to do is open up your browser, any browser that you use, and here what you want to do is search for TikTok feedback. Now once you search in, you can see your feedback web page opening up. This is TikTok's official page, so tap on the first link available on your browser, and then here you can see your feedback. Now you can read it, tell us about a problem you'd like to report. Now on email address, type in your email address, and then on username type in your TikTok username, and down below you can select an option. Now tap on general account inquiry, and then here on tell us more you can tap on recover account. Now down below on how can we help, type in your issues. Now make sure you are clear about your issue that you have been banned. You are normally banned due to violating rules, but if you haven't violated rules, then you can type in here that I haven't violated any rules, and then you can add some attachments of your account and then submit the report. Now after you submit the report, TikTok will get back to you within 48 to 72 hours, and this should be able to fix the issue, and there is no any other way around. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.